I just picked up this SpaceAid hamper on Amazon because my little cheap one, well, broke. So I'm gonna get this thing out of the wrapping and put together and give you my thoughts. Instructions, so this can be important. So it's got fiberglass rods. And just assemble those real quick. Four of them assembled. You pull the little flap up and slide the fiberglass rod down into this little pocket. And you get this, pull that up under that. Lock it into place like that. All right, there it is. That already feels a lot sturdier than my old hamper. The canvas is a good bit thicker. I think that's gonna be a good hamper. I like the bamboo handles and the nice little lid to cover it up.